Welcome to the Applied Molecules Safety Guidance Series, video number 3. Today we're delving deep into the safe handling and usage of our cutting-edge products designed for the repair of composites, metals and materials extensively utilized in the transportation sector. Our products are formulated to be safer, adhering to the highest industry standards, ensuring that they're not just effective but also secure to work with. These materials are special as they cure under the influence of UVA, or visible light handheld devices, bringing innovation and safety hand in hand. Before we move ahead, it's essential to acquaint yourself with the general chemical hazards that might occur during the application process. They may cause irritation to the skin and eyes. Respiratory tract irritation is a possibility. Skin sensitization can happen with prolonged contact. Despite having minimal volatiles, it's advised to avoid ingestion at all costs. Keeping safety at the forefront, let's look at the personal protective measures you need to adopt. Equip yourself with safety glasses or goggles that offer UV protection. Always use butyl or nitrile gloves to prevent skin irritation. Personal hygiene plays a pivotal role in ensuring your well-being. Abstain from eating, drinking, or smoking while using our products. Make it a habit to remove and cleanse jewelry that might come into contact with the UV/EB materials. Post-handling the UV and EB materials, wash your hands, face, and any contaminated clothing using a mild industrial skin cleanser. Our groundbreaking products bring in the ease of curing using UVA or visible light handheld devices. Here's how to use them safely. When using the handheld light device, always ensure to avoid direct skin or eye exposure to the light to prevent irritation. Utilize safety glasses that offer protection against UVA and visible light to safeguard your eyes during the curing process. Maintain a clean and organized workstation to prevent any mishaps during the curing process. Applied Molecules is committed to pioneering solutions that revolutionize the transportation sector while guaranteeing your safety. As you work towards repairing and building the future of transportation, remember, safety comes first. Always.